This is the video tutorial on design entry and simulation using Electric VLSI on static CMOS inverter layout level. And this is the group member. So first is the configuration on using LT-SPICE on Electric software. So click on File under Preferences and then go to Tools under SPICE and do this configuration. SPICE 3, level 3. Tick this one and this one. So the run program will be the LT-SPICE directory in your computer, and this command will be under the YouTube command or in the file. So that's all. Click apply and OK. Next, name the libraries, and in this case I name it assignment 1 and create a new cell by pressing Ctrl N and put it schematic and name it CMOS. Click on the CMOS schematic, put it anywhere, press Ctrl I and change the width to 10. OK. Next, press on the tool, simulation, SPICE, and add SPICE model. Ctrl I and change the name to CMOS. Okay, next do the same for PMOS. Ctrl N, add a new cell, name it PMOS. Put a CMOS, change the name, Ctrl I. Change the width, to 20, and then set SPICE model, then Ctrl I, name it PMOS, and OK. Next, create another new cell, name it inverter, and then copy the CMOS from the previous schematic and put it inside the new cell you just created, the inverter. Next, copy the CMOS, just like the PMOS, and paste it in the inverter schematic. Okay, align your PMOS and CMOS. Add in a power supply, the circuiting, and press Ctrl B to adjust the size to your liking, and yeah, put it there. Add in a ground, Ctrl B to adjust the size. And add in one output and input on the left and on the right side of the diagram. Yeah, then connect the power supply to the PMOS. Left click on the power supply and then right click on the PMOS. Do the same to the CMOS and as shown as the video. Connect to ground, connect both the PMOS and CMOS, connection of the output and the input. Then press Ctrl E to export. As you can see, new export, name it input, and do the same to the output. Ctrl E, export it to and name it out, OUT. Next, press on F5 to check the layout, no errors. Okay. Then make icon view. Press Windows and make icon view. The shortcut key is Ctrl D to go down one hierarchy in the library. Delete the inverter box and align your output and input. In align, Ctrl J to rotate the output. Put in a triangle and press Ctrl J to rotate to make the inverter. And then put in a circle. Again, Ctrl I and change the width and length to 1. So there goes our inverter. Align the output. Ctrl U to go back one hierarchy in the library, and this is the overall view. Next, make another new cell, Ctrl N, and name it simulation. schematic cell and copy the inverter we just made just now. Control C and put it in the new cell. Control V, paste, extend the input and output via right clicking, and then Control I on it to change the name, to label the name in and out. Next, press on the miscellaneous and put in the spice code. Here you can see the text to me, Control numpad 7. Control I, edit the text, click on the multi-line text, and then add in the line as shown in the video. And here the include C, in my case is C download C5 underscore model text. This is the MOSFET library file which you set, which is the location you set the C5 model. So type in according to your location, and there F5, no error. So now we run the simulation. Press on Tool, Simulation Spice, and write Spice Deck. And it goes. Press on Plot Setting, Trace Graph, put in V in and V out, and there goes the graph as you can see, the V out and V in. So now we'll proceed to the layout on CMOS. Press Ctrl N, select layout and name it inverter. And make sure they are in the same library inverter with the schematic just now. So add in a N valve and then a P valve. Then the upper part will be the CMOS, so PMOS, sorry. So P active, PMOS, and another P active. Same for bottom, N active, NMOS, and another N active. There we go. So select the P valve, N valve, PMOS, and press Ctrl I and change the width to 20. Do the same to the NMOS but change to 10. Align the P active to the PMOS. Make sure the spacing is at least minimum 3 so that it abides by the MOS rule. And when you are done aligning, select all and Ctrl J to rotate the PMOS. Then align the N valve above the PMOS. Do the same to the N, spacing 3. Align them. Select the whole diagram and Ctrl J, rotate it. Make sure you align with the PMOS you just did just now. Arrow. Okay, next drag your P valve to align with the previous. So here goes the layout, and now for the connection, left click on this, right click, just connect, do the same, connect to the left. And there's the connection. Element metal on the left side, and this on the right side. Connect it, right click, change the width of this, Ctrl I and change it to 2. So now we have to name this, export this. So select it, press Ctrl E and name it ground. This method, select it, Ctrl E again, Ctrl E and name it in for input. This one, same, Ctrl E and name it out. And this, name it VDD, which is the input, the voltage. Okay, now we have to set the spark order. Click on the VDD, make sure the connections are connected by the red dotted line. Select on Tools, Simulation Spice and Set Spice Order. There you'll see the text. Press Shift or Control and click on the text, Control I and change it to PMOS. Here goes. And do the same for the bottom one. Click on that, make sure the connection is correct, the red dotted line. So again, Tools, Simulation Spice, Set Spice Model. Yeah. And the same thing, Control I, change it to NMOS. Okay, this complete our layout for CMOS inverter. So check F5, no error. FC, check wells, no errors. Everything matches. And last, the NCC, yeah, schematic and layout view, check. All matches, no error. Okay. So now we have to make another schematic. Oh, sorry, a layout. Name it simulation. This is for simulation use. Layout. Okay. Press the cell and import it from the previous layout. So this is the box diagram of our inverter, as you can see. And go to the previous simulation one, copy the spice code and paste it over here. Yeah. So Control I, change the text. The font size is too small, it's hard to see. To change, apply, okay. Put it somewhere here. So left click on the VDD and right click to expand. Do the same to the input, output, and the ground. Click on the VDD, press Ctrl E to export the knob. Oh no, change the width first to 3. Ctrl I, change the width to 3. Change the width to 3 and do the same to the last one, ground. Okay, now we export that. For input and output, just press on Ctrl E on the bar and name it in. Okay. Oh sorry, it's Ctrl I. Do not export, just change the label to in. For the VDD and ground, make sure you click on the nodes. As you can see, the red dotted connection. Okay, if you selected correctly, you will see the red dotted connection and press Ctrl E, name it VDD. Do the same for the ground and make sure the text appears on the left side instead of the middle. As you can see, the input is quite small, but it appears on the middle of the metal bar. Do the same for the output. And that's all for the layout. F5, check, no error. EFC, check wells, no error. So NCC, check the schematic. So simulation spice and right spice step. So plot setting and show the V in and V out. V in, V out. Okay, and there goes the graph. It looks just the same as the previous one, so it matches. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.